early signs and symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS. Pag sinabi po kasi nating syndrome, ito po ay group of symptom na naaapektuhan ng ating hormones na pwedeng mangyari sa kababaihan during our reproductive years. And when it comes to naturopathic medicine, 10% ng mga sakit ay nanggagaling sa gene at 90% ay galing po sa nutrition and lifestyle. Kaya kailangan po nating malaman ng early signs and symptoms para mas mababa ang risk ng long-term complications katulad ng type 2 diabetes and even heart disease. So ano po ang mga early signs and symptoms? Number 1, irregular periods or no periods at all. Number 2, increased BMI. Number 3, oily skin or acne. Number 4, hirsutism or excessive hair growth. And number 5, thinning hair. Medical professional diagnosed with PCOS because it runs in the family. I am more sensitive in choosing my food because my body can't use insulin well and I have higher androgen levels. Kaya naman, I always choose whole, natural, and unprocessed food. When it comes to supplements, I highly recommend Mega Life Fish Oil Food Supplement dahil ito po ay naglalaman ng 1,200 mg of omega-3 fatty acid na kailangan po ng ating katawan upang mabawasan ang inflammation or sobrang pamamaga dahil sa PCOS. This is FDA approved at pwede po kayong mag-take nito 1 capsule after meals. Kaya naman, sure na sure ang healthy life with Mega Life. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!